Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, guys, we're going to do some maintenance on my... Hello, noisy birds. Shush! Hello, welcome back to the channel. I don't know if you can hear me over the birds. In today's video, we're going to do some winter maintenance on my Rover 75 diesel. With winter around the corner, it's important to look after your vehicle and make sure it's roadworthy, of course. We do have a headlight bulb out that failed on me last night, so we're going to get that changed this morning. Fingers crossed, of course, because it doesn't look the nicest job to do. Axis is a bit fiddly, so we'll struggle together, I think. Train! We've also got a pair of bonnet struts, because the bonnet struts to hold the bonnet open have failed. How do I know that? Well, it hit me on the head last week. That's not ideal. So without further ado, let's crack on before it starts raining, because it's going to rain this morning. And I've run out of tea bags. Bad times. So I was out last night, I was picking my partner up from work. It was obviously the middle of the night. Put the headlights on, and we got that little warning light come up. So that's going to need to be investigated. So we've got a bulb out somewhere. I think it's a headlight. So without further ado, let's have a look. Let's open the bonnet. That might give us better access. Might need to start the car. Lights on. Quick scat around the front, and that'll tell us which bulb's not working. Yes, they've got side light on that side, but no headlight, so it's a dip beam. Let's get that changed. Try and do this one-handed. There we go. Don't know if the bonnet... Train! I don't know if the bonnet struts are going to hold for this duration, but we'll hopefully see. Hopefully that'll be alright. Won't hit me on the head. So it's there. Washer feather neck, that might come undone, I'm not sure yet. Might give me a bit better access, but I think I'm going to need a torch. I moved the steering wheel already because there is an access panel in the wheel arch there. It looks like the cover's been removed already. Oh, actually I can see the bulb from here, so I don't know if it's a spring clip or a push fit. I'll get some light in there, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So the beauty of this little camera, it's fucking raining. The beauty of this little camera is you can get into the smallest of places. It's a bit of a pig to get to. I do wonder whether it's going to be possible to go to the top though, because that washer bottle neck looks like it might come out of the way. Let's see if we can get this out of the way, because I could potentially just get my hand through there, but even with the air conditioning pipes in the way, I think it might give you just enough access to get my digits in. I'm not even filming, am I? Get my digits in there and see if I can get that bulb out. But let's see how this goes, guys. That's potentially giving us far better access. I'm now seeing just about touch the back of the bulb. So I still think, actually, with viewing this way, looking at what I'm doing, but having my hand under through the wheel arch. Yeah. Let me see if I can bring you in for some artistic viewpoints, caller. So I can now get my hand through the wheel arch, there we go, on the back of the plug. Doesn't mean they come undone, that's good. You see a mirror. Using a mirror to look at it to see if it's a spring. Right, I don't know if you can see that there's a spring clip there. I'm going to have to put the camera down to finger it out, of course, but that's why mirrors are so helpful. I can now see what I'm working with. I'm not entirely working blind, but looks like it's hinged at the top. So push the spring in and to one side, that'll spring down out of the way. We can get the headlight bulb out of the way. One bulb, and that has blown. You can see it's blown, that's good. And it came out with the tab at the top, so it came out like that. So I've got a new one here which I've tested that it works. I know it works. I'm going to change it. That's a H7, that's the part number of the dip beam for a Rover 75. So get that changed over now. Right, new bulb. As with all headlight bulbs, they're halogen, so don't touch the glass. If you do have to touch the glass, wear gloves or hold it with a tissue. And don't get it covered in dirt putting it through the wheel arch. I've just used the mirror to check that I've got the bulb sat in square, because I hadn't quite got it located properly and it was stopping me from putting the spring clip back on. So I had a look through the wheel arch, could see the bulb was on the piss. A little bit of movement left to right, wiggle wiggle, straight back home. So I've got that back in now, spring clip's on and the bulb connector's on. So now the question is just trying it and seeing if it works before I put the back cover back on. Took a few seconds for the onboard computer to work out the bulb was working. And now we have working headlights. Right, let's do these tailgate struts before it starts raining. Right, here are the tailgate struts. Sorry, bonnet struts. They're made by a company called Stabilis or Stabilis. Part reference is 3216 Kilo Victor, should you want to order a set. First we ought to check and see if these are actually right. They look right. So you seem about the right length. Yeah, good to go. And they come with you'll see here, this is the tailgate strut, bonnet strut. To remove it, there's a tiny little spring clip here. You could get a flat blade screwdriver, leave that off, that'll ping off, and then it will come away from the car. Oh, one off just like that. And now of course, holding the bonnet. I should have thought about that really. So I'm going to put the bottom in first. It goes in this way, doesn't it? That's right. Presumably this will just clip on. Yeah, lovely. I just need to lift the bonnet now to do that. Right. Easy. It should just clip on. Oh, look at that. Job. Right, let's do the other side. Just like that. Right. Got it shut. Beautiful. Right, job done. Right, cup of tea. So that is going to do it for today's video, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. I think we're at Extreme next weekend, so this weekend, crikey, it's coming out fast. I think we'll take the Rover because we're not taking the Rover to a show yet. So look forward to that. Thank you ever so much for watching. I shall see you soon with some more content. Goodbye.